Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll compare JBL Quantum Stream microphone and Razer Seiren V3 version 3 Mini. So I will read the text using one microphone, and then I will read the text using the second one, and in this way you will be able to decide which is better. But you need to know that I have installed Razer application, and so I use default settings in Razer microphone. But in JBL microphone I just decreased the microphone volume. As you can see, other settings I didn't move. Here in equalizer I have flat preset, and other settings I have the same as default, so I doesn't change something. So as you can see, cardioid mode is enabled, so it's default mode on this microphone. And okay, let's go. So firstly I will read the text using my JBL Quantum Stream. The sun sets over the silent sea. Bright birds fly in the blue sky. A cat sits on the soft sofa. Dogs bark loudly in the dark night. Fred found 5 funny frogs. Big trucks drive down the busy street. She sells shells by the shore. The clock ticks and talks in the quiet room. Okay, it was JBL microphone. Now I will change it to my Razer. Okay, now Razer microphone. So I will mute my JBL. Cool. Here right now Razer microphone capturing the sound. So let's try using the Razer. The sun sets over the silent sea. Bright birds fly in the blue sky. A cat sits on the soft sofa. Dogs bark loudly in the dark night. Fred found 5 funny frogs. Big trucks drive down the busy street. She sells shells by the shore. The clock ticks and talks in the quiet room. So, okay, that's it, guys. So I've just tested 2 microphones, and so basically I tested it before, and I really don't know which one is better. So I really hope you will write your thoughts below in comments. So I'm really waiting for it. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.